Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the Asus Prime RTX 5070 Ti, Nvidia's latest powerhouse graphics card that's making waves in the gaming community. Before you make a choice on your next GPU upgrade, you need to watch this comprehensive review where we've done all the research to help you decide if this is worth your investment. Plus, we've got links to the best prices in the description below. In this video, we'll be evaluating the Asus Prime 5070 Ti based on price, performance, cooling efficiency, and real-world gaming scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The Asus Prime RTX 5070 Ti's standout feature is undoubtedly its implementation of Nvidia's cutting-edge Blackwell architecture combined with DLSS 4 technology, delivering exceptional ray tracing performance that pushes frame rates to remarkable heights even at 4K resolution. This graphics card boasts 16 GB of GDDR6X memory on a 256-bit bus, providing the bandwidth necessary for today's most demanding titles and creative workloads. What makes this card particularly impressive is its SFF-Ready design, making it compatible with small form factor builds without sacrificing performance. The 2.5-slot design strikes an outstanding balance between cooling capacity and build compatibility, allowing enthusiasts to create powerful compact systems. The innovative Axial Tech fans feature a smaller fan hub that facilitates longer blades and a barrier ring design, increasing downward air pressure by up to 23% compared to traditional fan configurations. Targeting both hardcore gamers and content creators, the Prime 5070 Ti excels in scenarios requiring intensive GPU computation. Whether you're rendering 4K video projects, streaming gameplay at maximum settings, or diving into VR experiences, this card handles everything with remarkable efficiency. The phase-change GPU thermal pad represents a significant advancement in cooling technology, maintaining optimal heat transfer that keeps the GPU temperatures 7–10 degrees Celsius lower than conventional thermal solutions under heavy loads. Furthermore, the dual-ball fan bearings provide exceptional longevity, lasting up to twice as long as standard sleeve bearings, ensuring your investment remains reliable for years. The 0dB technology is particularly noteworthy, allowing the fans to completely stop during light gaming sessions or desktop use, creating an impressively silent computing experience. This feature proves invaluable for content creators who require quiet operation during recording sessions. The inclusion of a dual BIOS switch adds versatility, letting users toggle between quiet and performance profiles depending on their immediate needs. Additionally, the Auto Extreme manufacturing process ensures each card meets stringent quality standards, reducing the potential for coil whine and improving overall reliability. The bundled GPU Tweak 3 software provides intuitive performance tweaking capabilities, advanced thermal control options, and comprehensive system monitoring, making overclocking accessible even for newcomers. Performance-wise, the RTX 5070 Ti delivers frame rates that exceed the previous generation by 35 to 40% in ray-traced titles, with DLSS 4 frame generation pushing some games beyond 144 FPS at 1440p ultra settings. Moreover, the card's AI acceleration capabilities shine in creative applications, reducing rendering times in programs like Blender and Adobe Premiere Pro by up to 50%. However, one notable downside some users may find concerning is the card's power consumption, which peaks at 285 watts under full load. This requirement necessitates a quality 750-watt power supply minimum, potentially adding to the overall system upgrade cost. Additionally, while the 2.5-slot design is compact for its performance class, it may still pose clearance issues in some ultra-compact cases. You got it. So, that's it for the best graphics card value on the market for this year. Like this video if it helped, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and subscribe for more tech reviews.